Hey, what's up guys? So if you're looking to find free real estate wholesaling courses, look no further, because right here on my channel you're going to get access to my entire real estate wholesaling course absolutely free. So if you go ahead, you like, subscribe to this video, you're going to see right below there's a link. Click that, you're going to see the whole playlist. Now I'm in the process, I'm still adding videos, we're probably about 60-70% of the way done, but quite soon I'm going to be finished, and I'm actually going to move all these videos over to my membership site, so you're going to see that, but you're still going to have free access. So the reason I'm doing that is so one, it's more organized, it's not just in the YouTube playlist, and two, I'm going to be able to add all the scripts, the PDFs, the worksheets in there. And right now you can still get all the scripts and the PDFs and everything we do in my business, but again, you have to go to the link below, scripts.reibotcrm.com. So if you go there, you click the link below, fill out your info, you'll get an email with a Google Drive. In that Google Drive, you'll see all that info. Again, we have cold calling scripts, we have texting scripts, we have email campaigns that we do for buyers. We have cheat sheets for rehabs, estimates. We have cheat sheets for really everything you can need, how to run the numbers, how to do the math. Really everything I have, I put in there, and I'm constantly adding to that. So even if you did get it beforehand, make sure you're checking that regularly, because you're going to see all of that information in there. Yeah, I decided to give that away absolutely free because I know how hard it is to start. One, I bought a lot of courses over the years, and I know the worst thing is investing your money that you might not have at the time, or really, even if you do have it, it sucks to spend money for a course and it doesn't deliver. Or two, it's just, they give you one or two good things and there's a whole bunch of fluff. So if you've seen any of my other videos, I like to keep it very to the point, very direct. I don't like to add any fluff, but I wanted to give this away to help people get started, because I 100% believe that real estate wholesaling is one of the best vehicles for you to start turning your life around, turn your life from a negative to a positive, and really change your financial destiny. Because literally you can make 10 to 20K easy just off one deal. And if you follow this course, if you're willing to do the work, if you're willing to bet on yourself, you don't even need money. It helps if you have some, obviously it makes it easier, but just by following these steps, just by being willing to commit, bet on yourself by doing the work, and really even if you just invest 2 hours a day, I'm certain that within a month, 2 months at the most, you're going to be making 10 to 20K, and it's that simple. So make sure, again, you like, you subscribe, turn the notifications on. That way you're going to get all the new videos as I keep adding them. And even when it's done and we move over most of these over to the membership site, again, that's going to be completely free since you liked and subscribed and you got early access to it. But make sure you stick with the channel, because I'm going to keep doing free trainings. I'm going to keep doing free live cold callings. And if there's any trainings, if there's anything you'd like me to go ahead and add to the course, go ahead, drop a comment below, let me know so I can get those added for you, because I think I tried to cover everything. I've asked a bunch of questions on Reddit and got some great ideas that I didn't even think of. So if you guys have any ideas, I'd love to hear them so we can add them, get those answered. And if I don't know the answer, I'm certain I know someone who does. And if you're in the Facebook group as well, I have a free Facebook group where I bring a lot of experts, a lot of my friends in the real estate industry and other industries as well, to come in and share with us and share all their knowledge. Because one of my big core values is learning, and I'm always trying to learn and get better, adapt and grow. So let's do it together. Make sure, again, you like, subscribe to the channel. You'll get all the trainings, you'll get all the free videos. And if you're not in the Facebook group, make sure you join. It's Real Estate Wholesaling Syndicate, and I'd love to see you guys in there. And anything you need, just drop a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see for videos, or shoot me a message, and I'd love to connect.